Look at this. I have no idea what these things are. This is super zoom in mode. Like what the hell do you think that thing is right there? Like, I thought it was a vulture. I mean, you'd think it's some sort of undomestic bird. You know, you could just imagine what it'd be like if I was out in the front yard and one of those came out and happened to be in the area. I mean, I think they would probably fly away if I was out there, but you never know what they would do if provoked. I mean, there's definitely, I've seen some things, like such a thing as a ostrich. Those are not friendly, for one thing. Look at it. Look at the bird. Just is... This is kind of... They don't even know what they want. That's the... Look, there's more. Look at this. Where did these things come from? Yeah, I just cannot quite sum up what exactly this animal's desires are. What does it want? Why does it want it? Why did it want it? And what necessarily caused it to want it? These are all things I'm kind of wondering. I just can't figure out. It's a really fucking perplexing animal, to say the least. And they seem to be tired of my yard. So they're going to move on to different ventures. I think these might be scavengers, by the way. I just can't get over the fact that these things are not vultures. That's really something right there.